pandemic has indeed curtailed all journeys across the islands. There are never-ending series of lockdowns and travel restrictions, and we can only reminisce our inter-island travels in the comforts of our own homes. But these restrictions opened for other doors and gave opportunities for the local tourism to be given attention. Now is the perfect time to travel local and explore all the lesser-known travel destinations here at home, in our beloved island of Cebu. And best of all, travel money stays here, at home, supporting local business. So to the northwestern part of Cebu we go again, to our favorite hideaway, the quiet coastal town of Tuburan, known as the Midwest. Surprisingly, this town offers several natural wonders, and we are all hyped to visit them all. Aside from the rich and colorful historical facts of this unassuming town, this place is also popular for its natural environment, famous sites and destinations. This time we are here to visit the century-old Dao Tree. The Heritage Dao Tree is found in the barangay of Hagbuaya, just a few minutes ride away from the town proper. It is hidden among the woods and can be accessed by traversing a river. That is the Sapa. The river that leads to the Dao. Nakanindot sa Sapa. So we parked our car by the roadside and slowly we descended onto the pristine river that wounds its way into the deep woodlands. The water is really clear unexpectedly, and it is very cool as we wade into the ankle-deep stream. We explored the area, not knowing the exact distance of the tree from where we started. Ano siya life? Kung mamidpid ba ta sa sapa? Imong tama to, uy. Oh, sa katong tao dire.
Pari dita nga rin.
Oh. Maulagi, basig pila pa ka kilometro mamidpid sa sapa. Natural place. Unsa? Ano kuya, basig pila ni ka kilometro hinuon didto paingon. Maulagi na ulok.
Dili na mo?
Maulagi na. I know, that's it. Ari, dirilay, lari diri sa tubigan. Oh, look at tabi-tabi. Oh my God. Logi, yung giduphan, no? Oh my God, Dao Tree. Look at the Dao Tree. Look at that. Oh my God. It's so huge. Then all of a sudden, the enchanting Heritage Dao Tree was right before our very eyes, standing majestically in the riverbank. It stretches its humongous roots, spreading as far as it can reach, just like an arm, protecting something from someone. Its canopy was home to so many birds and insects, singing joyfully as if trying to tell us the tales of the unknown. What an incredible sight! This is the first time that we have ever seen a Dao tree as gigantic as this one. Philippines, being a tropical country, is very rich in biodiversity and natural resources. There are tens of thousands of plant species distributed in more than 7,000 islands, and some are even undiscovered. So huge. Kwaon. Hindi worship, no? Worship ni Monteriba, God of nature. Thank you. Dao is a forest tree that forms a huge buttress roots to support its humongous size and thick canopy. It is also known as the Pacific walnut tree or New Guinea walnut. It's a native of East Asia tropics where rainfall is frequent throughout the year, such as Eastern India, South China, Myanmar, Indochina, Thailand, Peninsular Malaysia, Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, Solomon Islands, and our beloved country, the Philippines. The tree is fast-growing and is used for furniture and interior finishes. Its fruits and nuts are edible, but the sap of the tree is poisonous. We looked like ants in the anthill, watching beneath its massive root system. It is approximately 200 years old, and the trunk has a diameter of 7 meters across. It is considered a threatened species. You will feel really small standing next to it. Philippine folklore tells of spirits that either dwell in or guard a particular tree. And I am 100% sure this one is no exception. Dao is a very resilient tree. It can thrive in well-drained to poorly drained soil and in clay and stony soil. It bears flowers almost all year round and is considered a vanishing timber due to over-harvesting. I was really wondering why our Department of Natural Resources or DNR didn't explore the possibility of mass planting this native species instead of introducing exotic varieties that are harmful to our native flora and fauna. Most parts of Dao tree are edible. Some cultures use Dao tree leaves as vegetables and use the fruit for flavoring foods, which has a sweet and somewhat sour taste. The Malaysians use the fruit as a tart relish served with fish. The bark has medicinal uses too. Indonesians drink a decoction of the bark to expel the membrane enveloping the fetus in the womb. In China, the fruit is used to cool and subdue itchiness and as antidote for poisoning. Young fruit is used to flavor curry in Thailand. Flowers, fruits, and young leaves are also eaten cooked as vegetables in Vietnam, Thailand, Malaysia, and Papua New Guinea. My son explored and climbed into its humongous roots. And I followed too. Navigating the complex root system of this majestic tree reminded me that I am just a small part of a larger whole. And the survival of plants, animals, and human species are intricately linked with each other. Trees are essential to life as we know it. They are vital to our very own existence. They produce the oxygen we breathe and provide foods for both humans and animals alike. The ability of trees to bring life where once there was only the soil and the tiny seed is extraordinary. The diverse plants and animals around us depend on our natural resources like we do. But we humans have the ability to alter or save this planet in ways other species cannot. So we have to take the responsibility of protecting and preserving our natural resources because it is essential to our very own existence. This tree here have suffered the slings and arrows of climate, insects, and disease, but found its way to survive through centuries, and have stood as a lone witness to the passing of time. A stark reminder for all of us, whatever damage we do, the wild will return. Nature will be able to overcome whatever damages we made, if given the chance. Bye for now. We'll come back soon. And hope to one day see you again.